Have you ever knit stripes in the round only to find that they look kind of whack because they don't really line up? Well, today we're going to learn how to fix it so that your stripes are seamless every time. Smoulder with its gorgeous stripes is a perfect example of this. It is a ravishing cardi designed for you by Kayla Baldwin, and it is a great starter cardigan. Smoulder has a beautiful rhythm of color, texture, and shape all working together. I love that it is essentially a stockinette stitch for the body and for the sleeves, and then some gorgeous ribbing for the finishing detail. Smoulder's work top down, which is amazing because you get to try it on as you go, ensuring you get a perfect fit. It starts at the yoke with those clean raglan lines that give it such a beautiful structure, and then opens up into the body. The body is worked flat, so you get into a really beautiful rhythm, knitting back and forth, watching those colors unfold. And when you get to the sleeves, those are worked in the round, and then you get to see those gorgeous stripes take shape wrapping around your arm, which is just so satisfying to see. And the stripes really are the star here. The repetition really gives this piece a sense of intention. And I love how they make this piece feel both playful and polished at the same time. There's just something about stripes that are so timeless. You can go bold with this and do high contrast colors, or keep things subtle and soft with colors that melt into each other. No matter what you do, it is going to be absolutely gorgeous. After you finish the body and the sleeves, you're gonna add that beautiful neckline and button band, which frame the stripes so beautifully. We chose to have an open cardigan without buttons, but if you do love buttons, because who doesn't, then there are instructions in the pattern for you on how to add buttonholes. And I love how the ribbing on the cuffs and the hem really just ties the whole piece together. This is the kind of piece I feel like you're just gonna reach for again and again and again because it's light enough for layering, but it's cozy enough to feel comforting, and it's just so pretty. And the yarn that we chose to use is one of my personal current faves. It's called Wishglow Sport. It is so divine, it is so sumptuous. It's insanely soft and shimmery. It just really has that gorgeous glow to it. And the fabric that it makes is just so fluid and delicious. It almost feels like it melts and pools in your hand. The colors that we chose to use are Enigmatic, Burnt Gold, Coconut Cream, Fuchsia Glow, and this gorgeous Dragon Lore. It is so wildly popular that we can hardly keep it stocked. It's magical, it's fantastical, just like misty mountains where dragons lie in wait. If you would love to get the yarn and download this pattern, you can hop on over to ExpressionFiberArts.com. And while you're there, be sure to sign up for email and for text updates for weekly free knit and crochet pattern. Remember those stripes we were talking about? There's only one thing that can interrupt their smooth flow, and it's those little color jogs. You know the little start and stop at the beginning of the line when they just don't quite line up? Yeah. Those. Here's what you do to fix it. You can see here on these first two color changes how when you bring this color around, it's higher than when you started, so it makes this little little jog, and here as well. Boop. But up here we've got nice smooth color transitions, so that's what I'm going to show you how to do. When you change colors, we're going to go ahead and knit this first round in our new color as normal. So the first round, nothing is different, just work the pattern as written. I'm just doing a small swatch using the magic loop method, but it doesn't matter what in the round method you're using. Point is, just get that first round knitted all the way around, and then the magic comes in the next stitch. Okay, so we finished that first round in our new color. What you're gonna do is when you get to the first stitch of the second round of this new color, you're just gonna grab the stitch below. So insert your right needle into that stitch below and lift it up onto your left needle, and then just knit these together. And that's it. And then you're just gonna keep on knitting. And when you do this, it gently pulls the stripe into alignment so everything looks smooth and continuous. And once you start doing it, it just becomes second nature. Super simple, but it helps your project look smooth and fabulous. You are now a striped knitting expert. I hope you love making this so much. It truly is a beautiful design. Have an amazing week, and be sure to check back next week for another gorgeous new design. You know we're gonna have one. I will see you then. Bye.